Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit without signing in on FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing our pictures either for our camera roll or our gallery right here. So let's go and take a look at how to edit photos without signing in. So to edit without signing in, we are going to go and download the app just like I explained and skip or exit any sign-in prompt. So you do not need to log into an account to be able to edit your photos. So if you're opening up the application for the first time, you're going to be given prompts to go ahead and log in or to go ahead and create an account. You want to close those login or pro subscription ads by tapping the X or skip button. This is going to enable you to stick to features that do not have the pro label and popular free options include impressions, basic and lighting adjustments. So as you can see, once you open up a picture, it's going to appear right here. So this is going to be the editor mode from where we can get started taking a look at the free options we have for our skin, hairstyles and so on. You can go and explore what is usable right here without an account, but if you want to use the pro features, you're going to need to go ahead and create an account, so keep that in mind. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.